Welcome to the Yeti Tool CNC Academy, the place where you become a CNC master.
We've brought all our team's expert knowledge into one place.
And we're presenting that knowledge to you here in a series of completely free, easy to follow lessons.
Using short explainer videos, we'll lead you through structured courses to create projects with your new SmartBench.
We'll cover everything from first setup
to CAD/CAM to basic operation
to master classes and maintenance.
And by the end of the Academy, you'll be able to join this latest wave of technology and make CNC work for you.
You can create beautiful or practical projects, whether you're an artist
Or a business owner. You'll learn how SmartBench can take your enterprise to the next level.
We'll show you how to use all of our products so that you can create some amazing things, from imagination to fabrication.
Our Academy will teach you CNC, and not just with SmartBench. It's a life skill, and you can use it to bring your next big idea into the world. See you in there.